Brainrot videos are blowing up on TikTok again. This video got 50 million views in last 7 days. This one got 12 million views in last 4 days. And new pages are blowing up all the time because there is no competition. This page got monetized and got to 50 million views all within just 3 weeks. Every one of these pages is making well over 20k a month. And how do I know that? Because they are getting over 100 million views per month. They are making original content and all of their videos are over 1 minute long, which qualifies them to be part of Creator Rewards program. And even if they make just 20 cents per 1,000 views, on 100 million views, that's $20,000. And if you follow me step by step, you can make these videos within minutes using AI, and you can do it for free. I'm gonna link down below all the prompts you need, all the tools I've used, and I will give you links to pages that got over 1 billion views in last 30 days, so you can steal their best ideas and blow up in next week. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is copying this script and not pasting it into ChatGPT because it's too stupid to understand this and it starts hallucinating after the 5th prompt and gives you out some garbage. You are gonna paste this into Perplexity. And Perplexity is free and gives you much better results than any other AIs that I tried for this. So in this prompt, I didn't add all the Brainrot characters. I just added 5 characters. And if you want to make videos with different ones, you will have to describe them and add them here. But now for idea, I saw a viral idea on one of these pages that got 50 million views and I'm gonna make script about exactly that. It was something about Ballerina Cappuccina and Berber Patapim selling fake clothing on the beach and making lots of money from it. After you enter your idea, it's gonna ask you if the story is alright to continue to making 30 prompts for the video. And you just say yes, move to next step. And here it's gonna generate you prompts for all the images you need in this video. And now if you want to make this completely free forever, you can use Google Flow and you just add these images of characters that I'm gonna share with you on the free Telegram and you paste your prompts here. But first you need to choose the right settings. You need to use Google Nano Banana 2 because Nano Banana 1 is not smart enough to understand this, and use these settings to get the best results. And now you can paste the prompt and just place these images as ingredients and hit this button to generate. You can already see here that I made few example images with these 2 characters, and here I used Google Nano Banana 1 and it didn't understand that this should be Ballerina Cappuccina and how she should look like. Here you go, premium ocean water. And you can do this with the rest of the images, but if you want to use something like FreePic where you can generate images and videos, you can literally run a whole ass business with this. Go back to Perplexity and tell it to move to the next step. Now if you want to run a page that's gonna be making 10k, 5k a month, you will eventually have to move to FreePic because it's the most practical way possible. This is how I use it. I add a reference image of the character. Like for example, here we are going to use Ballerina Cappuccina. So we are going to add her as image 1. And instead of pasting prompts manually, I'm going to use the tool that I made. It's free. I'm just waiting Google Chrome to approve it so you guys can start using it. We are going to paste all the prompts here. And when we click start generating, it's going to generate them automatically without us doing anything. You can see here, when I click start generating, it pastes the prompt. It uses the image 1 as a reference image, and it will generate this with Google Nano Banana 2 with the settings that I set up. This way you are able to post 3-5 videos per day without spending too much time waiting for images to be generating and copying and pasting prompts. You can spend your time on better activities, like for example finding the idea for the next video or generating a specific image for hook, because hook is the most important and the rest is kind of just filler because these people that are watching this are honestly NPCs. They are gonna watch whatever you put in front of them. And if you're thinking, how do I generate images where we have more than 1 character? It's pretty simple. You just add another character that you have. It will be named image 2, and in the prompts it will reference it like image 2. As you can see here, we are gonna have image 1 is gonna be Ballerina Cappuccina and image 2 is gonna be Berber Patapim. And when I click start generating, you are gonna see that the images come out perfect. And while we are generating these images, you can go back and tell Perplexity to move to next step. In the next step, it's gonna generate all the video prompts that you need. Okay, so here you go. This is image where we have both of the characters and it came out pretty good. You can see here again, escaping the prison, and this one escaping the police on the boat. And when you have all the images generated inside the free pick, or if you're using Google Flow, you will just take those images, for example here in free pick, click on create the video, and paste your prompt here. If you want to make these videos for free, you can use 720p version. With Kling 2.5, you have unlimited generations inside FreePic for just one subscription of $36 per month. You can literally make 1,000 videos per month if you want to, with just one subscription. And I'm not saying that Kling 2.5 is the best, but it's free, and if you are starting out, it's the best thing that you can use to generate your first money online. Quick break. If you want to see how it looks like to go from 0 to 10k a month with one of these AI faceless pages on TikTok, you can watch free case study. I even show the page, the RPMs, exact videos, and the niche, everything inside the free Telegram group. So now you can see how the video looks like that I've just generated. But before I started recording this video that you are watching right now, I've already went through this same process, making these videos and images the same way that I've just showed you. And I already downloaded them and edited inside CapCut. And now I'm going to show you 7 things that you need to do when editing these videos to make sure that they get high average view duration, that people stay to watch them till the end, and that they go viral and make you money. So first obvious thing is they need to be over 1 minute long. The second thing is you need to use this song. I haven't seen any videos that blew up without using this song. The next thing is you need to add some sound effects like this. When you pair them with music, it looks like this. The third thing is you need to constantly be mixing between shots of these two characters. So, like here, we are showing Tun 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 Sahur. The next shot, we are showing Ballerina Cappuccina, what's going on with her. Like something bad happens, and then we show back Tun 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 Sahur is enjoying his life. And then we again switch to Ballerina Cappuccina, switch back to Tun Tun Tun. And you keep doing that all the time till the end. So, in the beginning, they meet, and then throughout the video, one character is trying to get revenge, and at the end, you always give them that revenge. The fourth thing is you need to speed up these videos, because I can guarantee you that none of these people with serious brain rot are gonna be able to watch this video at a normal speed. Even for me, it's a little bit boring. So you need to at least 2x it. And that's why I generated more than 30 AI clips for 1 minute video. It's kinda insane, but that's the thing that you need to do. And honestly, there is no easy way for this. You need to actually put in effort and work. That's why I try to optimize it by making a Chrome extension for it, or like making better prompts so that you spend less time writing, copying, and pasting. This is the only way that you can get to posting 2 or 3 videos per day without outsourcing. Now, if you're thinking, where do I get this music or these sound effects? I'm gonna share with you the song and all these sound effects that I used here because they are the most common. And for the other sound effects that you might need, I'm gonna link you a website where you can download them for free. I don't think that I know how to count to 7, but it's at least 4 things that I mentioned. But now imagine 4 months from now, your page just cashed in 10k in a single month. That's the exact reality one of my students, Brian, experienced. He managed to hit that 10k within 4 months. Just go watch the case study and you will understand everything. See you on the inside. Bye.